Tirelo shares cute, intimate moments between Umpumelele and his son, Singabako. It's so cute, you guys. Just look at how he frowns his face just because his dad kissed him on his face. Usingabako is like, I've said this, that he is the exact replica of Umpumelelo, just the lighter version, you guys. And these snippets that Terelo posted were so cute, you guys. I found it so heartwarming. But you know one thing I must say about Umpumelelo, you guys? I obviously don't know him, but from what I've seen on the socials, he does seem like a present father, and it does seem like he genuinely like enjoys like being with his kids. And I think maybe there's a lot of things we can like fault about Mpumelelo, but maybe we should give that one to him, you guys. Maybe we should give that one to him, that at least he's a present father in his children's lives. He seems to love his kids, not only with Utirelo's child, he seems to also be very present in Uvuyogazi's children's lives. I can only speak for the one child, Umhlopekazi, because Uvuyogazi's son was recently born, so I haven't seen much snippets. But remember on the show, Umpumelelo said he hasn't even seen much of his son because Uvuyogazi basically bekakwatile. So that makes me then question Vuyogazi, when you are mad, are you keeping your son from seeing his father just because you are mad? Are you keeping the father from seeing his own child just because you are mad with the father? Like, that is not fair. And you know, personally, I don't like women who do that. Like, fight with your partner, fight with your man as much as you want. But when it comes to the child, put your pride down, Sisi. Put your pride down and allow the man to see his child, you know? Because at the end of the day, you don't want to sit with regrets of what could have been or whatever the case may be. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think of these snippets of Umpumelelo spending time with his son. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.